Well, there's a quick break in the weather this week, just enough time to get something very important done in the house, and we got a couple of important deliveries to get us on our way. Check it out. We are starting to pour the basement floor this morning. We got the pump truck in position. He couldn't quite get in position because of that stack of wood, so he's going to drive around to the other side, position himself right up here by the barn, and the concrete finishers are down in the hole right now, trying to get everything set up, ready to go. Really glad we put in this large turnaround driveway. I cannot imagine how we would have gotten these big vehicles in and out in position to do all this work. We didn't have this big circular driveway. Well, the moment we've all been waiting for, the concrete is in, and there is quite an echo down here. So obviously rugs and furniture and walls and probably some soundproofing stuff would help out, because we have a concrete floor, concrete walls covered with styrofoam, so you can expect a lot of echo. But the pour went really well, and we are on day 2. We're walking on it now, and it looks great. And they didn't have any issues except in that room in the larder. They were going so fast, they covered up the drain, so they had to go back and find the drain and dig it out, and they took care of that, so everything looks wonderful. We're ready now to start building from the bottom up and get that second floor done. So we learned that every time the concrete trucks come, they have to clean out, especially the pump truck. It has to clean out, and it dumps concrete in your yard. And then they come with a skid steer and they break it up and haul it away. So we had a better idea for use of that leftover concrete. So Danielle really wanted a brick walkway up to the barn here, but I said I just can't waste all that concrete. So literally in 20 minutes, I ran back to my scrap heap and I grabbed some 2x4s and I made some stakes and pounded them in and framed this all out. Actually, I had it framed all the way out another 15 feet, but when he cleaned out his truck, he dumped what he had in here, and I took the board and moved it up, and well, now we've got a concrete walkway to the barn, and it was free. Well, I spent a couple $1,000, but after that it was free. What are you doing?
My plant order has arrived about a month earlier than I expected it to. So we have a snow and another freeze coming this weekend.
15 degrees.
And I have, oh my goodness, I think I have about 20 bushes and trees here that I now have to figure out what to do with. Yeah, so be careful when you place your orders. You got to order early enough to actually get what you want, and
global warming, honey.
I think I'm just going to have to get a bunch of buckets. We have plenty of those laying around, and plant in buckets temporarily, because I don't even have beds ready yet. So this will be interesting.
Have fun.
Yeah. We get to test out our big driveway circle for the first time, as we have a full-size semi-truck coming down the lane here. Looks like he can do it with no problem.
Well, the solar system is here, and the truck made it. Well, we thought we had our solar system delivered, but we've got 2 boxes that are damaged and an entire pallet that's missing, so hopefully that'll come tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
gotta tell you, if your space allows and you're doing anything along these lines, do a big circular driveway. We have had so many truckers and the concrete workers and just all the big equipment in and out of here thank us over and over and over. Apparently they run into some real hassles doing construction, and I've heard stories of having to back a mile or whatever down roads and down driveways. So if budget allows and time allows, put in a nice big driveway. So it's definitely paid off, because these guys are able to get in and out. And you know, like this guy, that's the biggest truck we've had in here. I think he said he was 53 feet. And he was planning to park a half a mile down the road, and we were going to have to go pick up that load just in the pickup truck and then get it out here. But because he was able to get in, we were able to use the lift gate and have it dropped right at the door. So definitely consider.
Well, thanks for watching. As you can see, the snow is moving in, but it's a perfect time to mill. So I'm going to get to work. If you've subscribed, thank you very much. Leave a comment. We love to read them and learn, and also answer when we can. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and join us on our journey. See you next week.